and spicy. Moving up is Tony P. Bring it up rain, Russia Speedmaker. Akire, Oni Leva, Pure Joy Racing in 6-7 belongs to Pearl Essence. 8 position, yes, I'm the one. 9 position belongs to Restless Heart, Mr. Tatler. Third last entry number 1, and this one is Heroes Honor. And rounding the far turn, Bring It Up Rain, Tony P. And Speedmaker. Racing by Dralport is Pure Joy. Then here comes and Spicy, and still moving up as they race the final corner. Bring It Up Rain, Tony P. Sweet and Spicy racing on the further outside and moving up by the rally. Yes, I am the one. And hitting the finish line, 4 runners fighting for the Sweet and Spicy, Tony P. And yes, I am the one. And hitting the finish line, better go down and collect. Number 14, Sweet and Spicy, Tony P. Restless Heart, Bring It Up Rain. Yes, I'm the one for your Pentafecta.